Hi, my name's John of the Spotted app, and I just wanted to make a quick video just to show how easy it is and how to set up a business on the app. So I'm going to go straight from the start as if I've not got an account at all, and we'll just show how quickly it is. So just open the app there and let's go on not registered because I've not been on the app before, and this is me just setting up for myself as a user on the app. So John, let's put Johnny there, let's put a H in Johnny, enter mobile number, that's, and email address. Might just have to blur them on the video so I'm not bombarded. Let's have a look then. So put test12, nice simple password that just covers all of the requirements for the password. Terms and conditions, do ask that you read all these. There's nothing out there that's out of the ordinary. I know there's a lot, but basically, and there's the privacy there. Just say a bit about the app. So, once you create a business account, let's have a look what that is. Look, so business account. Set up a business account. Please complete and fill in the quick customer account details, and then proceed to the switch account tab at the bottom right of the screen, and follow the requirements from there. So, if I click OK, look, go and register. So now on the Spotted app, disclaimer. I'm not going to read it now, but yeah, so what it is now, I'm on here as a user, and these are just the, because we're still in test mode on the app, these are local businesses that are available to me, and I could filter and I could post a job and everything like that. But what we're going to do, switch account, because I want to create a business on there and I want to be part of that directory. Get started. Upload your business details in minutes, enjoy all the perks, for only 99p a month, great. Continue, perfect. Company name, let's have a go. Might as well go Spotted app. There we go, your logo. So let's just chuck something in there. Finders on that will do. Put that in there. Okay, this is just for now. I can always come back at a later stage and adjust any photos, add any more. So company website, www.web, free business directory, and again there you are. It's got loads of room that you could write a lot about your business, but we could do when you sat down at night, you could just put something in there. On the address, let's just put anything in here. I don't want you all knowing my address, but it's the postcode that's important. I want to be notified, so if a job comes up in my radius that I work, I'll get a notification say there's a job, do I want to price it? So it's tick that because I want that. Oh, so there we go, I've got an error. I've just put in www. So what we have to do is put in HTTP, because if we've got a safe web address, you want to put the S in as well. : / There we go. Click on next. Terms and conditions again, but what this is the terms and conditions for being a business on the app. So well worth just that read. It's naturally not as many as are in the user. I accept them. Next, so we get text verification. So this just proves that that phone number is mine, related to the account. This don't take long. We'll see what signal I get. That don't take too long, no. And we go down 189443. 189443. Confirm. Here we go. So business setup. What this is it's a bit more information. So when you complete a job through the app, this has to, by law, be sent to the customer to be available to them. So if they've got any queries or things like that, they need that, and they can access that if they want. So at the minute, I'm just going to skip that. We can, but if I want to then quote on a job, the app will take me back to that page and allow me to just fill in them details. And about the most complicated bit on there is your VAT number if you've got one, and your company number, which you just can Google your company number. So you don't really need anything. You can do it all off your phone. So Stripe. This is again for when you're completing a job through the app. If you want to be paid cash all the way through, just skip that. You could skip it now, but if you come to a point when you see a job, you will have to just complete them details. The reason why I've done Stripe and not PayPal is because they don't take as much money from you. So it's that simple. I want to give you as much as possible. So we'll skip that. There we are. I've just created a very basic business account on the app. That's easy, that's simple. But at the minute I'm not providing any services. So if we go on services provided, add a new service. Town postcode, D12798, that's me. And with the app, let's say we're going to cover the country, so 400 miles radius. That covers the country there, look, wow. Service title, business, bitterness, business directory, come on. Here we go, so these are the categories. The app covers everything. And subcategory, we're advertising, let's say. I'm only briefly putting this stuff in, but you can always come back and change any of this at any time. Business directory, director. Images, you can add a load there. So for a business who provides lots of different services, you could do sewing, you could add lots of them things there. You could do dry cleaning and then add them images. And up to all of these, you can add different radiuses. So we can really make this work for you. Save. And that's it now. So now I am on there as a business with the service I provide. It is that simple. So if I then go back onto the personal account, you will see I am there 0 miles away because it's on my position. I'm now part of the directory. It is that simple, and now a customer can find me, message me. If they raised a job within my radius, I will get a notification. That is how simple the app is. It will really work for you. It's brilliant. Okay, thank you very much. Bye bye.